Since 2007, early 2017, I'm still learning every day, but I certainly know and respect what goes on in construction. I mean, quite frankly, if it wasn't for construction, we'd all be living in the woods. So it's
Right.
it's kind of an important industry.
Look, I love log houses as much as anyone else, but since 2017, you've been doing this. What's been keeping that fire burning for you as far as construction site safety?
It really is that we can do something that would reduce the fatality, accident, and incident rates. So, OSHA came in the early 70s